welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you are doing. Happen to be doing when you're watching this. I hope you're doing it fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And apparently, I have words tonight. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. I received my second ever Hempcrate Co. box for October, and it was really confusing because they didn't say they were shipping the October one, and then when I went and logged in, it said my November box had processed, so I was like, did I start in October when I got it in September? Or so apparently turns out they will update your account as they send out your last box. So yeah, that's confusing. I've never understood that first and last bill thing either, because like an adult. It just confuses me. I just pay the bill and then don't worry about it, you know, like when electric comes around and it says past due and then total due, I pay the past due. I never pay the big total due, and I've never understood why they tell you what the next bill is. Anyway, I feel like I'm washed out. Should we leave it? Should we leave it? We're not gonna leave it. But anyways, I was anticipating this box because my last tincture, I'm out of my previous tincture, and this one is, this was the first one I got, which has melatonin in it, and I wanted one I could use safely during the day instead of just a sleepy CBD in case I just want to take it during the day and I don't want to nap. So I only opened it and glanced in it to make sure nothing was broken and took the outer package off. So here is the box. That way you could not see my address. Anyway, we'll get right into it. And I just noticed that on the bottom there's jokes. I didn't see that in my last box. It just says we've got jokes, and the first one is sloths can only clap sarcastically. Cool. 2 things you never get at a gas station: your dinner and your CBD. I'm not gonna read all those. Maybe I will. I don't know. So the first thing is when you open it, you get this little card, which is different from the last card, and it just says CBD versus opiates, which is good to know because opiates are bad. Anyway, interesting little info card there. But it tells you why CBD is good for you. And I am not vouching for anything about CBD. It does not necessarily replace your medicine. I think that is what this is trying to get at. But it does work for some people. It doesn't work for other people. It works for me. So also not sponsored. I buy this with my own money. Rachel, aka Dealy LaFay, introduced me to Hempcrate. She unboxes a lot of these. She definitely has more experience with CBD than I do. She has sent me numerous things in random packages herself of things she doesn't use, like vapes and other tinctures, and I really appreciate you, Rachel, for being a bad influence on me. I do not plan on canceling my box anytime soon. So the second thing, I need to stop rambling and just get to the box. I'm sorry, so sorry. But the next thing is feelwelllollies.com, all natural, sugar-free, 50 milligrams CBD with zinc and elderberry and B1 and D3. So it's a little coupon for, I'm guessing there are lollipops or a lollipop in this box. And we have tissue paper. It's magical. I try to save all my packaging in the boxes so I can send other people things. We like to recycle. So the first thing I see is, of course, a lollipop. I liked the gummies I got in my last box, so of course I will be trying one of these. I'm not a huge fan of cherry, but it says Feel Well Lollies 50 milligrams CBD, so I'll still try it. I love me a lollipop. Yay. And also I was playing around with my makeup. I wanted to add like little butterfly motifs or something. I'm doing a butterfly for Halloween. What are you doing for Halloween? Because we're going to Epcot to place wagers on how many drunk Tinkerbells we can find. Last year was probably about 17, I think. It's become tradition. So what's your wager on how many Tinkerbells you think we'll see getting drunk around the world at Epcot? Anyway, yeah, I'm dressing up as a butterfly, so I've been playing around with makeup. And the dress is there. It's blue and pink. I hauled it a couple weeks ago. So now we have Botany Farms. Are these cigarettes? It says no trim, no shake, 100% organic flour, but I don't know what they are. Sweet grape. I really don't know what these are. What are these? Is there a list of what actually... It just says Botany Farms small batch pre-roll. So I'm guessing it's like a cigarette, like a smoke. And there's two of them. This one's Pineapple Haze, and this one's Hot Blonde. I think there's like little CBD cigarettes. Are they upside down? I am failing at this video, guys. I love you. Thank you for being patient with me. Yeah, Botany Farms, and it just says squeeze to pop it, I guess. Like to pop it open. I don't know what it is. Let's open one. Maybe. There we go. You do squeeze the sides. And yeah, it's like a little smoke. So it smells good. I'll try them because I do smoke cigarettes and I'm trying to quit and I'm looking for a substitute so it's easier to quit instead of cold turkey because I might hurt somebody during my nicotine fits. Drink break. So I'll try those. Rachel has sent me some before. They just didn't look like that. That's why I didn't know what the heck those were. And this is the tincture. This is 15 milligrams per serving, 450 milligrams per bottle. And this is by RE or Re Botanicals. It's hemp CBD tincture, full spectrum. So yay, exactly what I wanted. It just is classic, so I don't know if it's flavored, but I'm very, very happy to have this in my life. Let's see. Yeah, no isolates and servings per container, about 30. If you have anything like anxiety or pain, I highly recommend trying CBD products. It works for me. Organic hemp and coconut. So maybe it tastes like coconut or it just has coconut oil in it as its base. But yay, I'm super excited about that one. And I have this is interesting, CBD infused soda, African ginger and Mexican lime. And I love ginger ale, so you have me sold at ginger. And it just says encapsulated CBD, 50 calories, 6 milligrams cannabidiol, and gluten-free, zero sodium, THC-free. So it's just a drink. I'll refrigerate that. I'll try it. I will definitely give that a whirl. That is, I didn't know I knew you could put stuff in drinks with CBD, but I didn't know they actually sold CBD drinks. So I am intrigued, and I will try that. And then we have 2 samples of muscle gel, athlete tested, athlete approved, THC free, 200 milligrams CBD also includes menthol, camphor, and capsium. And they are vegan. So I get a lot of back pains and I have a bad shoulder, so I would definitely try these. Apply to skin and massage area until fully absorbed. Repeat as desired. Store in cool, dry place away from heat and light. And at the end, of course, or over the screen, I will tell you what these are worth if you buy the full thing, because most of these are samples, or like this is a full tincture, so I'll let you know what the manufactured retail price is, or whatever they call it. And let's see, second to last thing is a Cbd Hemp Body Oil, so I'm interested in that. Rub the roller ball over your temples, forehead, behind your ears, wrists, and the bottoms of your feet for relief. It just says for relief. So, okay, we're going to open this one because it's lavender and I love lavender. Which, yay, I love lavender. I just found a hemp lavender lotion at Bell's Outlet and I freaking love it. A little roller ball, like those 90s perfume things you get at Claire's or Walmart. Ooh, I like that. I would wear that as like a perfume. I wish you could smell it. But that smells awesome. So I'm definitely going to use that. I might put that in my car. Yes, by the way, I got a car. Car tour coming soon. And the last thing I got is the Uplifters Prima, the Trifecta CBD powder blend sample pack for morning, noon, and night. Brain fuel, instant zen, and rest easy. So I'm guessing these are the ones you put in your water or like a tea. It just says perfect introduction to our botanical elixirs. Sip your way to better balance, true focus, and sweet dreams. Use an innovative encapsulation process to adapt our pure whole hemp plant extract. And directions, I think it just says you're just probably supposed to add it to your water or your tea, I'm guessing. Rachel, do you know anything about these? Because these are really interesting. It doesn't really say how to use. It just says Prima whole hemp. But that is it for this box. I am actually super pleased with everything I got. It's a cute little box. It's a cute little box. I'm really interested in this drink, and I'm happy I have a regular tincture that doesn't have sleepy stuff in it. I love my melatonin, do not get me wrong, but every now and then I just get this feeling that I'm like, I need CBD, and the only tincture I have is the sleepy one. And I already went through the gummies I got in my last box because there was only 5, so I took those during the day, and I am definitely looking forward to these little smokables. Even though it looked like a joint, it's not. but like I said, Rachel has sent me some before because she doesn't like smoke, and I enjoyed them, so I'm definitely going to try these out on the porch, and I might do a review. But every time I say I'm going to do something in one of my videos, I forget, so forgive me if you look forward to the things that I say I'm going to do. But yeah, I am super pleased with this month's box, and I will get out of here, and I will see you very, very soon. As usual, I will tell you, I have a lot of videos coming up, and I'm working on all of them simultaneously because I'm crazy, and I hope you're wearing whatever makes you happy, because that's what this whole channel is about, is being yourself and doing what makes you feel good, as long as it's not hurting anybody, and if other people don't like it, screw it. And yeah, I will talk to you very, very soon. Love you so much. Bye. Awkward Pixie out. Love you so much. Bye. Awkward Pixie out. Love you. Bye. Bye.